Okay, in this video I will share to you about step by step about making the door and window elegant and classic. Okay, then now we can select the rectangle in here. We can make the any size of this rectangle. Then we can double click, right click, and make group. Okay, so this is the first step. The first step is we can select the line, click from this point, then we can move it up 2.5 meter in here, then drag to the another side around 1 meter in here, and drag to the bottom in here again. Then now we can see that there is 3 line in here. Then I will move in here to make it more clear. Then now we can select the line and click from this position and drag to the behind 120 in here. Okay, and then 60 millimeter, and click again. Okay, and after that we can make the another rotate rectangle. Click from this one, type 10 millimeter, and we can type 20 around 30 millimeter in here, and also this one we can make this one and type 50 millimeter in here. Okay, and we can move it to the behind 20. This is 50, and this is also 50. So then we can erase the additional line in here, and then now we can select all this triple line and select follow me, and just click this one. Okay, now we can double click, right click, and make group in here. Okay, so we have the profile door frame in here. We have the profile door frame like this. Then we can make the rectangle in here, and also click from the position until this position to fill about the space for the door leaf in here. We can double click, right click, and make group. Okay, so this is the first level. So the next level I will make the develop of this object, and then we can click this all object, select move, tap control, and place to the position in here. Okay, and I will develop it to the next level. Then we can click and select offset. We can select the offset tool, click this edge, offset it inside around 120 in here. Okay, and click and then click this surface and offset it inside. Okay, we can offset it inside around 20 in here, and also push it to the behind in here. Okay, so this is the simple classic door in here. So this is the simple classic door. Then now we can make the another elements. Okay, we can click, and we can click this line and select move, tap control. Okay, click the line and place, type 5/another in here. Okay, right now we can click this line in here. Okay, we can click this line and select a move, tap control. We can type 20 in here. Okay, then we can click and push it to the behind. Okay, and push it to the behind again. Okay, and again in here. Okay, so this is the next level, and then now we can make the next level in here. Okay, we can make the next level. Okay, we can select move, tap control, and place to the position in here. Okay, right now we can make the window, the glazing in here on the door element in here. Okay, we can push it to the behind in here. Then now we can click this line in here and select move, tap control, and place to the position. Then we can move it 10 millimeter and move duplicate 20 millimeter in here, and erase the line in here, and push it until the behind in here, and push it until the behind in here. So we can get this progress, and we can select rectangle in here, and then we can make group. We can push and make group and create the object like this. Okay, then now we can select the rectangle in here and click from the middle from this position, and then now we can place the middle on the another corner. Then we can click the surface and select a push around 8 mm in here. Then we can triple click and make group. Okay, then we can assign about the materials in here. We can assign with the clear opacity materials. Okay, then I will make the gap between the frame and the door leaf in here, and we can offset it inside around 5 mm in here, and move it to the behind around 3 mm in here. So there is a gap in here, so it will make more details than the previous step in here. So this is would make more details than, and after that we can also make the another component like a window element, or we can click the rotate rectangle, click from this position, and we can click to this one around 1.5 meter in here, and drag to the another side around 600 mm in here. Okay, then we can triple click and select move place. Then we can click this surfaces and select the offset it inside around 60 mm. Click the surface, right click, and also erase. Then now we can click this surface and push it to the behind 120 mm, and now we can click this perimeter of this top inner outline. Then we can select the offset tool, offset outside around 10 mm, and click the surface and push it to the behind around 40 mm in here. Then we can triple click, right click, and also make group. And after that we can select the rectangle and click from the corner to the corner of this bottom surfaces in here, and select a push pull. We can select a push pull until to the position in here. Then now we can see so we can see and make group. Okay, we can make sure that there is on the appropriate position in here. Okay, then we can click and select offset, click this edge, offset it inside around 80 or 70, just 70 mm. Then we can activate hide rest of model, click the surface and push it until the behind in here. Then now we can make the rectangle in here, click from the corner to the corner, and click the surface and push it up around 15 mm in here. Triple click, right click, make component, create. Okay, so now we can make movement in here. Then we can select move type control and place to the position. Then we can type / and enter in here. Then we can erase some unnecessary object in here. Then now we can click and select the rotate. We can rotate 90 degree in here. Then now we can select move. Okay, we can select move on the middle. We can move on the middle position of this window, right click and make unique. Then we can push it up until to the position in here. Then now we can select rectangle and click from the middle, and then place on the middle again in here. Then we can click and push it to the front, type 8 mm, and right click, make group, and assign about the materials in here. Then now we can triple click this one and offset it inside around 5 mm. Now we can push it to the behind around 3 mm in here to make the gap between that. Then we can select all, right click, and also make group. Then we can select move type control and place to the position in here. Okay, so we can move to the position. Then now we can select the wood materials in here. We can assign with the wood veneer in here. Okay, just like this. And then now we can edit about the surfaces, about the texture, about the surface, and also the texture materials in here. Okay, so this is the first level, the second, and this is the ultimate level in here. Okay, and then So you can make the door handle in here. We can make the circle in here. Okay, and push it to the front in here. Triple click, right click, and make group. Then we can click select find center in here. Okay, then we can select the line in here, and okay, we can place and select the line in here. Okay, we can select the line, and okay, we can make the curve with the 2-point arc in here. Okay, and select to follow me in here. Okay, now we can extrude again in here, just like this, and we can double click and also make group. Then we can select move tab control in here, and we can make the like a look case in here, and then now we can select the color. Okay, we can select the color with the dark color in here. Okay, we can right click and make group. Okay, just okay, we can erase. Okay, just like this. So this is about the result anyway. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. Okay, you can learn it more to make a good learning for all of you. Okay, thank you for watching, and we can also activate the body shadow in here. Oh, sorry, it's too dark. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.